Hello and welcome back to the Wholeness Shift. My name is Veronica, and if this is your first time here, welcome. This isn't a normal video. This is just a very quick little message from me to you. I just wanted to give a clarification on the videos I had posted recently with questions for Spomie. And I had said if you have any questions for Spomie, send them to me and we're going to do a series and we're going to get them answered. And so I need to clarify because you guys are really into communicating and I love everything about that. Yes, go, go, go. However, I'm a lone soldier over here. I'm only one person and I have been inundated. I've been inundated with requests for things like, I want to know my spirit guide's name. Can you tell me how it's going to go when I move in with my son next year, things like that. And those are great questions. However, I can't answer all the questions like that. And so I just wanted to offer my apologies that I just can't answer those things for you guys. Like I said, I'm just one person. And if I do for one, I have to do for everyone. And I would have no life because there were just volumes of them coming in. And so let me clarify and say what I meant by questions for Spomie was general questions about spirituality, about the universe, about life, not personal questions about you and your specific guide or you and your life circumstances, not something like that. Just questions in general at large, if that makes sense. And if you have questions about that, email me and I'll be happy to clarify even further. Now, as far as the other questions go, you guys can find these answers for yourself. Get your vibes raised and use a pendulum and find your answers. But if you're having trouble, I invite you to go over to my website and schedule some coaching time. And then I have time to one-on-one answer your questions for you. But in general, do the work. You guys can figure this stuff out for yourself. I've taught you everything you need to know. You just have to do the work and make it happen. But I still welcome your questions about spirituality at large, etc. I welcome those. Okay, I hope that helps, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.